Welcome back to Auto Home Hub, the place where we talk straight, fast, and honest about the cars and vans that really matter to Indian roads. If you're searching for a tough, no-nonsense people mover that can handle villages, highways, army-style duty, and daily business use, then stay with me because in the next few seconds I'm talking about the 2025-2026 Bolero Jai Hind van, a vehicle that is creating serious buzz for its rugged design, practical space, and expected budget-friendly price. In the next 30 seconds, you'll know why this van could become the first choice for families, fleet owners, and rural buyers who want reliability over fancy features, so don't blink. The Bolero name itself carries massive trust in India. For decades, Bolero has been known as a strong, reliable workhorse that survives where many modern vehicles give up. Now, with the Jai Hind van concept for 2025-2026, the idea is simple: keep the DNA of toughness, add better comfort, improve safety, and make it suitable for multiple uses like passenger transport, government duty, cargo movement, and even long rural travel. This van is expected to be based on the traditional Bolero platform but redesigned to look more boxy, muscular, and purposeful, staying true to the Jai Hind spirit that represents strength and national pride. Talking about design, the 2026 Bolero Jai Hind van is expected to feature a bold front face with a squared-off grille, strong horizontal slats, and a tall stance that gives it a commanding road presence. The headlamps are likely to be halogen with a new shape, focused more on durability than style. You may also see a high-mounted bonnet, wide wheel arches, and steel wheels that clearly show this van is built for rough use rather than showroom shine. The body design is expected to be straight and tall, allowing maximum interior space and easy entry and exit, which is extremely important for passenger and commercial use. From the side, the van is expected to have large windows for better visibility and airflow, especially for passengers sitting at the back. Sliding doors or wide-opening hinged doors may be offered depending on the variant, making it easier to load passengers or goods. At the rear, a simple, practical tailgate with vertically placed tail lamps is expected, again focusing on function rather than unnecessary design drama. Step inside, and the Bolero Jai Hind van is likely to surprise people who think Bolero interiors are outdated. While it won't compete with premium MPVs, Mahindra is expected to upgrade the cabin with better quality plastics, improved seat cushioning, and a more user-friendly dashboard layout. The dashboard design will likely remain simple and rugged, but with modern touches like a digital instrument cluster, a basic infotainment system in higher variants, and better storage spaces. Seating layout will be one of the biggest highlights. The van is expected to offer multiple seating configurations, including 7-seater, 8-seater, and even 9-seater layouts, depending on whether it is targeted for family use or commercial transport. The seats are expected to be upright but comfortable, designed for long hours of travel on mixed road conditions. Headroom and legroom are expected to be generous, especially in the second and third rows, thanks to the tall body design. When it comes to engine options, the 2025-2026 Bolero Jai Hind van is expected to be powered by a reliable diesel engine, most likely a 1.5-liter or similar MHawk-based diesel unit that Mahindra has already proven in other models. This engine is expected to focus more on torque than outright power, making it ideal for carrying heavy loads and full passengers without stress. Power output could be around 75 to 90 bhp, with strong low-end torque for easy driving in rural and hilly areas. The gearbox is expected to be a 5-speed manual, tuned for durability and fuel efficiency. An automatic option is less likely, at least in the initial launch, as this van is clearly aimed at cost-conscious buyers and commercial users. The driving experience is expected to be simple, with light steering at low speeds and a suspension setup that can handle broken roads, potholes, and heavy loads without complaining. Fuel efficiency will be a major selling point. The Bolero Jai Hind van is expected to deliver around 16 to 18 kmpl under real-world driving conditions, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size and capability. For fleet owners and daily users, this kind of mileage can make a big difference in running costs. Safety is another area where Mahindra is expected to make improvements. While this is not a luxury vehicle, basic safety features like dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, seatbelt reminders, and a stronger body structure are expected to be standard across most variants. Higher variants may also offer rear parking sensors and a basic reverse camera, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Now let's talk about the most important part for many buyers, the price. The expected price of the 2025-2026 Bolero Jai Hind van is likely to start around 9 lakh rupees ex showroom for the base variant. Mid variants could be priced around 10 rupees to 10.5 lakh rupees, while the top variant with more seating capacity and added features could go up to 11.5 lakh rupees ex showroom. These prices, if confirmed, would make the Jai Hind van one of the most affordable and capable multi-purpose vans in the market. At this price point, the Bolero Jai Hind van will directly attract buyers who are considering used vans, older Bolero models, or even smaller MPVs that struggle on bad roads. It will also appeal strongly to government departments, rural transport operators, school van owners, and families living in semi-urban and rural areas who want a strong, long-lasting vehicle. In terms of competition, this van will sit in a unique position. While vehicles like the Maruti Eco or Tata Winger exist, the Bolero Jai Hind van's biggest advantage will be its rugged build quality and proven reliability. It's not trying to be stylish or premium, it's trying to be dependable, affordable, and tough, and that's exactly what a large section of Indian buyers want. To sum it up, the 2025-2026 Bolero Jai Hind van looks set to continue the Bolero legacy in a more practical and versatile form. With its strong design, spacious interior, reliable diesel engine, decent mileage, and aggressive pricing, it has the potential to become a favorite among both personal and commercial buyers. If Mahindra manages to keep the maintenance costs low and service network strong, this van could dominate its segment for years. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Home Hub for more honest and fast car updates. Comment below and tell me, would you choose the Bolero Jai Hind van for your family or business, and why? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.